Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy, ARR. Introduction I gave you in the last class. Hope you understood. Today ARR one problem we'll see where scrap and working capital is given. If scrap and working capital is given, the formula of average investment will be different, as I told you in the last class. So this is the formula when scrap and working capital is given. What is the formula? Cost minus scrap by 2 plus working capital plus scrap value. Okay, cost minus scrap by 2 plus working capital plus scrap. So this is the formula we use where scrap and working capital is given for calculation of average investment. Okay, average profit is as it is. Average profit. How do you calculate average profit? Total profit divided by how many profits you have taken. Same one, no change. Only this one. I want you to be perfect and thorough, so I've taken this problem. Now see the problem, small problem. Find out ARR for proposal 1 and 2. What is given? Cost 3 lakh each. Means investment is 3 lakh rupees each. Two proposals. Estimated scrap 60,000 each. Each proposal is estimating a scrap of 60,000. Working capital required. Working capital, how much is required? 2,50,000 rupees for each machine. So 2 machines proposals are here. Now what is given to us? 4 years. Cash inflow for machine 1. For machine 2, cash inflows. First proposal, cash inflow is 1,50,000, 3 lakh, 1,50,000. Fourth year, no, nil. For the second proposal, second machinery, cash inflows, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50. So total, if you see for the proposal 1, it is 6 lakh. Proposal 2, it is 9 lakh. It is given problem. And what we have to calculate? ARR. ARR formula is already written. Average annual profit after taxes. Okay. By average investment. We'll do the calculations, small working notes here only. Formula already I have written, so I don't want to write the formula. What we have to do? Calculation of first average annual profit. Solution you can say, not working note, solution you can say. So calculation of average annual profit. This is for proposal 1. I'll write here only. For proposal 1, it is how much? Average annual profit, how do you get? This total divided by 4. Total is 6 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 4. Something you will get. In the same way, calculation average annual profit for proposal 2. Proposal 2 is how much? Total 9 lakh. 9 lakh divided by 4. You will be getting something. This is average annual profit. In the same way, we need to calculate the average investment also. For average investment, whenever working capital and scrap value both are given, means we'll be using this formula. Okay. So next, calculation of average investment. So average investment formula is here, cost minus scrap. Cost is how much? 3 lakh. Minus scrap. Scrap value is 60,000. Divided by 2. Plus working capital. Working capital is how much? 2 lakh 50. Plus scrap value. Scrap value is 60,000. First we will calculate this. 3 lakh minus 60,000 means 2 lakh 40. 2 lakh 40 divided by 2, 1 lakh 20. 1 lakh 20,000 plus 2 lakh 50,000. This is as it is, plus 60,000. If we add We'll use the calculator, no more risk. 1,20,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 60,000. It is coming to 4,30,000. What is this 4,30,000? Average investment, okay? This you got it. In the same way, average annual profit 6 lakh divided by 4. It is 1,50,000. Shall I write here only? 1,50,000. And second one is here 9 lakh divided by 4. 2,25,000. So average annual profit is for proposal 1, for proposal 2. Okay. So these three amounts we have. Is it clear? Check out the calculations once. This is 6 lakh divided by, here 6 lakh divided by 4 years we have written. Actually we have 3 years only. 4th year there is no inflow at all. So we can take it 3 only. 6 lakh divided by 3. It means 2 lakh only. 2 lakh. Now everything is perfect. Now what we need to do? ARR, calculation of ARR. ARR for proposal 1. Average rate of return for proposal 1. Proposal 1, first one is that cash inflow is 2 lakh. Divided by average investment is 4,30,000 into 100. Into 100 is to get the percentage. In the same way we can do the calculations, and in the same way ARR for proposal 2. Proposal 2 it is average annual profit is 2,25,000 divided by same 4,30,000. Average investment is always common, into 100. You see the calculations. 20,000 divided by 430. 46.5%. And the same with this one, 22,500 divided by 430 comes to 52.32. That's all ARR we got this much for proposal 1 and proposal 2. Now let me give you the conclusion. Before conclusion, did you understand the problem? There is nothing new, only the thing is working capital scrap is given. When working capital scrap is given, you have to follow this formula. This is, average profit calculation. Here we made a small mistake. Average profit first year is we have 3 years only, 4th year not given, so we have to multiply with 3 only. Second one is normal, 9 lakh divided by 4. Now coming to average investment. Average investment, always remember, formula is this: cost minus scrap. Cost minus scrap is 60,000 by 2 plus working capital plus scrap. As per the calculation, you get 4,30,000. Applied whatever we got it. So average cash inflow for proposal 1, proposal 2, and average investment. So you got for the proposal 1, ARR rate is 46.5% return you can expect in 3 years. For the proposal 2, after 4 years you can expect 52.32%, which is more profitable. ARR whichever is high, that we would recommend. So I would recommend proposal 2. Downside you can write if you want. Proposal 2 is recommended as its ARR, that is 52.32% is more than ARR 1, that is 46.5%. One line you can write. Over, finish. Hope you are perfect in ARR. If you are perfect, then we'll go for NPV, the most expected for the examination point of view. NPV and IRR both. That we'll see in the next class. By the way, don't forget to share this video, practice well, and stay connected. Good luck.